So today I'm going to be doing an under £20 makeup challenge. I went shopping at Prima. It equals £22.65 and that's in euros, so it equals just under £20. So let's begin. Everything out onto the table. So I've got primer on. So then I usually move on to concealer. The concealer I've got is this Revolution one. So it's Revolution Focus and Fix liquid concealer. There were others, but they were so orange. Like, yeah, I was like, that ain't gonna work, honey. So let's see how these fare. It feels very thick, like, I don't know, like pasty. I don't really use much of Revolution stuff, so it feels quite sticky. I feel like I'm going to put on quite a lot as well. That's pretty decent. Okay, so foundation. I've got W7 HD foundation in Sand Beige. I have no idea if this is my colour, but we're gonna find out, aren't we? So, gosh, it might work. We'll see. Oh, it does not smell nice. The colour isn't actually that bad, like it looks quite good. Better than I was expecting, to be honest. It's applying quite well. Let's do a close up. It's not too bad, really, is it? It doesn't say anything about being full coverage. I would have said it was like medium coverage, medium to full. You could probably build it a bit more and get a full coverage. So next, I've got this setting powder, Set It Up. Special Effects finishing powder from W7. Whoops! I'm still a bit sticky, even after setting. I don't know how much I expect to apply. So the next thing, I've got this blush, highlight and contour palette. My expectations are quite low for this, but the colours on the back seem quite scary, so I don't know what it's going to be like, but we'll see. They don't look as scary in the box. So it looks like we've got a highlighter here, two blushes, and then this is meant to be a bronzer. That doesn't look like a bronzer to me. That looks like a dark pinky blush, but okay, we'll see. One dip. Oh my gosh. It's quite patchy. It's not blending out very well at all. Oh, great. You see, I've got like a line of colour and it won't blend out anymore. So I've got like a nice little patch of white there. And then brown. A pinky brown. Blusher, I don't know which one to go for. There's either a crazy pink or like a colour that you can barely see. So I'll probably go for the one we can barely see. Like, The blush is not as bad. And then finally I'm going to try the highlighter. Damn, what is this? Oh! Can't even see it anymore. Oh, let's try just using the finger with this one. Let's try the lip. Boom. That's quite pretty. I don't know where it's gone on my cheeks though. I can't really see it. A little bit on the snoz. I like the highlighter. The other ones are just dud. But then it's £2.99, like £2. Okay. Okay, and now we've got this eyeshadow from Technic. And it's the Shaken and Not Stirred. This one I thought looked similar to Anastasia's Subculture palettes. This was $3.99. Bargain. So I'm going to start as a transition colour. I'm going to start with this colour. I'm going to apply it all over the lid. This is applying reasonably well. There's not much pigment payoff really, but then it's a light colour, so. And then next we're moving on to that one actually, a bit lighter, just does a bit more transition. Okay, okay. It's there and it's blending. I'm impressed. So moving on to the darker green. And we're going to start concentrating on the outer corner now. The pigmentation is quite good for these actually. I'm pleasantly surprised. I'm just taking it across my lid. About halfway. Next, I'm moving on to this blue colour. Beautiful colour, it's like teal. Love teal. I'm just going to pack it in there just to add some darkness. And I do like the Anastasia Subculture palette, but the fallout is horrendous. Whereas this, it does have a bit of fallout. With the colours I've been using, you can see a little bit of fallout, but it's nowhere near as bad as the Anastasia one. And the pans look bigger as well in this one. So, and it was $3.99. Moving on, and I will be using this colour, which is beautiful. But to set it, I'm going to use a bit of this yellowy concealer. Again, not much fallout, a lot better than the Anastasia one. That colour is amazing, I love it. I was not expecting this pigment from this palette, and you're just dragging it into the blue. For the lower lash line, I'm going to start off with this colour. Going to get this red colour, as it's calling out to me. And now I'm going into this brownie colour, sort of like a brownie purple. They're so pigmented, it's like amazing. For brow bone highlight and inner corner highlight, I'm going to use just this white. So just highlight that inner corner and highlight the brow bone. Impressed. I managed to get an eyeliner, a kohl pencil eyeliner. I'm going to line my waterline and line my eyes. What I'm going to do as well is I'm going to get my flat brush And I'm going to smudge out the eyeliner that I've just drawn on. And then I keep doing that until I'm satisfied. So I put the eyeliner on and I decided to stop it just before the green, as I did not think it was very good. It just seemed to disappear. Like, I'd apply it, try and blend it out, and it would just go and just be blotchy and grey. So I'm using I use the Essence Core pencil. I don't like it. If you like it, then that's fine, but I don't. It's meant to be black, but it's not. Like, you apply it and it's not really that black. So I've curled my eyelashes. I know that's slightly cheating, but yes, I curled them. And I've applied it to one eye, and I can't believe how similar it looks to their real. Like, I've looked at the brushes as well, and they are pretty much identical. Like, look at them. $1.99 mascara. It's a nice black. It's a nice deep black. Finally, I've got lipstick. I've got the Wet n Wild lipstick in Never Nude. Looks a nice colour. Let's see how it applies. It's not got a very nice taste, if that bothers you. It feels like a tinted lip balm. Again, $2.99 or something, $2.49. Bargain again. It doesn't feel nice on the lips. I don't know if it'll dry, or I'm doubting it, but... So, out of everything I've bought, I really, really liked the eyeshadow palette. I thought the payoff was amazing. These colours are fantastic. Yes, they're obviously copied from Anastasia's Subculture palette, but I feel like there is less fallout and for a fraction of the price. Amazing. I don't feel like the Casino palette is worth it. For everything, just the highlighter seemed to be a winner. The blushes and the bronzer I felt were just a big flop. The colours were too bright and they didn't blend out properly and gave me a bit of a splotchy glow. And the eyeliner, I thought the eyeliner was a bit of a pointless purchase. Yes, it's added a tiny bit of definition, but I could have just achieved that with some eyeshadow. So this is the finished look. I'm quite impressed, to say the least. I'm quite impressed. Since everything was like €22, under £20. If you want a cheap face of makeup, there you go. So comment down below if you give it a go, and let me know what finds have really impressed you and what I should avoid. So thanks for watching. Bye guys!